Linking a bank account on Monzo is a straightforward process that allows you to manage your finances more effectively. Follow these steps to successfully link your bank account. Step 1. Open the Monzo app. Launch the Monzo app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access the necessary features. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Tap on the profile icon or the account settings option, usually located in the top corner of the app. This will take you to your account management section. Step 3. Select Link Accounts. In the account settings menu, look for the option labeled Linked Accounts or Add Account. This is where you can manage your external bank accounts. Step 4. Choose your bank. Select the option to link a new bank account. You will be prompted to choose your bank from a list or enter your bank details manually if your bank is not listed. Step 5. Follow the verification process. Complete the verification process as prompted. This may involve entering your bank account details, confirming small transactions, or using your bank's authentication methods. Once you have completed these steps, your bank account should be successfully linked to your Monzo account. If you encounter any issues, refer to the help section in the app or contact customer support for assistance.